KK12. We went toys with the Family Dollar. We bought the new toys, Ziploc, chocolate pop, and Hatchimal, My Little Pony, and My Little Picture. I forgot to do the filmmaker. But he has 6 jars, 1 pack of beading wax, 1 mold, and 1 sticker. To melt the beeswax in the microwave, and I'll come right back. We just put the beeswax in my mold. Now we're gonna open some more surprises, and we're gonna end 1 hour. Let's serve the cheetah surprise and My Little Pony. Okay. We got She Loves Hear the Songs, and her name is Tiffany Songs. Okay. Give it to the cheetah. Okay. I'm going to put these right here. Now we're going to say the monkeys, My Little Pet Shop Room. Here's a little ring. Here's a little jar. That's pretty. Here's a little topper. Here's our kitty. Now put on. We are to put it on the stand. Now, she's in the ring, and now here's her yarn to put inside. And you can put it on your wrist, or if you want to leave it off, just leave it like that, and you can wear it. If you want to keep the yarn on, you can wear your ring. Now we're going to open it. We got a green egg. So we're going to rub the heart. It's turning. Ooh, it's turning pink one. Ooh, it's a cute animal. We got a little blue. I really wanted this one. We got a little blue zebra. We're doing the boy bug. Now we're going to do the chocolate pop. Now let's see what it brings. It comes with 2 chocolate puff makers, and it comes with a little pop sticks, and it comes with chocolate Play-Doh. So let's start. So we're going to take the chocolate Play-Doh out, take some out. The bottom has a decoration for the top. Okay, get the chocolate. You shouldn't get the vanilla one and chocolate. Doesn't matter. So now I'm going to put it on these containers. I'm going to get a little bit. Okay, guys. Take it on the roof. This one. A little bit more. get it out. And Choco Pop. Okay. Look another design. So we need a chocolate pop, and I put the flour, and the little cupcake maker has a flour, and it designs it in the little chocolate pop. Or things, so I took it off. So here's 3 meter chocolate pop. How we make it. It's like we have a little cupcake. These are the little design things. Or you can. Now we're gonna check if the mixer is good and dry. The beeswax is not dried yet, so I'm gonna be back in a little bit to wait for it when it dries. Okay, guys, we are back in the white one dry and the purple one's not. Here's the lip liner I made. Thank you for watching my video. Give our families or friends. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. See you next week.